Let's try again. No, you don't like it? You want to try? You don't like it? That is a awful face.
Oh.
Oh my goodness. I don't think someone likes his cereal very much. Right? What do you think? You don't know?
Mommy, Daddy.
Yes?
Oh no.
Oh.
I do not think you like it. Well, there, you got a little down. Good boy. Wanna try again? Your brother's